Alright, in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick update on my Apple PowerBook 140. So, if you saw my previous video, you would know that I actually replaced the hard drive because the original hard drive I thought was bad. But what ended up happening was I figured out a way to actually fix the original hard disk. So basically what the issue was, or what was causing the issue, was the head, or the arm where the heads are, was getting stuck on a rubber bumper that's supposed to stop it from hitting the center of the disk. So what I ended up doing to fix that, and this was actually a suggestion from a video I saw about this very issue, but what I ended up doing was I just put a very, very thin layer of tape over that rubber bumper. Of course, it's only a very small layer of tape, so the head will still rest in the exact same position it would if that tape wasn't there. So I put that piece of tape on the over top the rubber bumper, and that actually repaired the drive. Now, for those of you who don't know, the original drive in one of these machines is one of these, a Conner CP2045. Now this drive right here, now this is the exact same drive that's in this machine right now, but this drive also had the same problem, and this one was from a PowerBook 170. So I just did the exact same repair to this drive as well, and both of these drives are now fully working. So now I have 4 fully working 2.5-inch SCSI drives. So now that I've shown you that, I'm going to go ahead and plug the machine in, and I'm going to power it up and show you that the drive does indeed work. So we go ahead and wait here. The drive will spin up momentarily. As you can hear, it spun up, and the machine is now booting off of it. So this drive has System 7.0.1 installed on it, and like I said, this is the original drive from this machine, so this is the install the original owner of this machine would have used, so that's kind of cool actually. There are some documents on here, but there's no real personal information, so yeah. It's basically just a bunch of Word documents. But anyway, as you can see, the machine is working. So let me just go ahead and open the hard disk here. So you can see that this drive is a 40 megabyte drive. You can see it has 30 megs in the drive, so there are only 8.7 megs available. So yeah, that brings it to a total of 40 megabytes. So as you can see, it basically just has, it's basically just a bunch of Word documents on here, and there's some HyperCard stuff on here as well, but yeah, most of this is just Word. The only program on this machine, or on this drive, is Microsoft Word. So yeah, there's, it's Word 5.1 as you can see. Actually, there's also Quicken on here, and there's also America Online as well. Oh, and then there's this one program called Macintosh Basics, which I found kind of interesting. I'll go ahead and open that for you and show you it. Now, this is the original install that would have come with this PowerBook, so this is, I guess, sort of like an introduction to the PowerBook 140. So I might wait for it to load here. Yeah, as you can see, there is a picture of the PowerBook 100 series right there. So yeah, I do believe this would have originally came with this machine. So let me just go ahead and quit out of this. Okay, alright, there we go. So yeah, that's on there. There's also America Online version 2.7, like I said. Of course, I can't use this anymore. I do have a modem I could hook up to this, but I don't think America Online 2.7 actually works anymore. But yeah, that's basically it. That is the update on this Apple PowerBook 140 and these 2 Conner CP2045 hard disks. They're both fully working, and yeah, that got this PowerBook 140 back to its original hard disk, and It works perfectly fine. So that is the update on these hard disks in PowerBook 140. Hope you enjoyed this video.